repetition is the mother of all skill. The things that are really rough for you at the beginning end up being something that you just build into your life because it happens if you've done it many, many times and it's part of what you do now. It's a really cool feeling when you start something new to look back 30, 60, 90, X amount of days and go, wow, this is just something that I do now. What was so rough at the beginning is now just a part of my daily plan and process. That's how you get really good at things.
Hey, what's the deal, y'all, man? I miss y'all, bruh. Know the new year's coming. If you ain't working out, you probably gonna start working out. And I just want to encourage you guys, look, man, do what you can do. It don't matter what you can do. For me, I don't do enough cardio. So let me tell y'all what I'm doing. I bought me one of these, right? Because when I was younger, I didn't hoop, but I used to like dribbling the basketball all over the neighborhood. I used to jog. I can't jog because I had knee surgery, but we gonna go back to dribbling the basketball. You feel me? And I really wanted to talk to y'all about something, man. Recently, a lot of people have been telling me, Charles, you don't need to be painting. You don't need to be in school. You need to forget the art stuff. You know, forget the video stuff. You need to be looking for a job. You need to try to get you a job. You need to try to graduate. You need to try to get a job. Quit the video stuff. Quit the painting stuff. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, guys, bump that. Bump what they talking about, all right? Now, if they watching this, if you watching this video, I don't mean no disrespect. I love you. For me, I know this is what I'm supposed to be doing, man. There's nothing else. I know there's nothing else that anybody could tell me. I know I'll need to be shooting these videos. I know I need to be encouraging people through social media, through social platforms. I know I need to be painting. I know I got these gifts for a reason. And just because the way I make income or the way I use what I got isn't typical, isn't average, isn't the way people normally do things, you know, it's gonna make folks uncomfortable. You know what I'm saying? So I understand, and I ain't saying that it's bad that folk think like that, but I want to tell anybody, if you know you're supposed to be doing something, if you know you got a gift or you got, you know, an unorthodox way you going about something, man, don't let nobody's words stop you. Just because it ain't average, just because it ain't what normally people do. You know, people been telling me I ain't gonna make it since I was little. Since I was a kid, folks was telling me, you know what I'm saying, I'm special needs. I was in special needs classes. I was literally classified as special needs, as retarded. The word retarded was on some paperwork that I had, right? I was in special needs classes. Your boy graduated on a 4th grade reading level. A 4th grade reading level. I can't make this up. You know what I'm saying? I was told I wasn't going to college. You're not going to college. So, I mean, from jump, people telling me I can't do stuff, right? I can't do stuff. I can't make it. You can't go to Germany. You can't have cameras. You can't have videos. You can't have drones. You can't have, and these are close people. But the key is to still love those people. But you got to remember, don't ever lose focus, man. Don't ever lose focus to your dreams or whatever it is that you know you're supposed to be doing. Keep grinding. Stay motivated, right? Follow your goals, follow your dreams. It's almost 2017. Y'all, it's time to shine, baby. It's time to shine, baby.
All of us have things that we're believing for, something that we want to accomplish. Deep down, we know it's a part of our destiny. We can feel it so strongly. But then we hit some setbacks. We didn't get the promotion. The medical report wasn't good. Or a relationship didn't work out. Life has a way of pushing our dreams down. They can become buried under discouragement, buried under past mistakes. There are dreams buried under divorce, buried under low self-esteem. It's easy to settle for mediocrity even though we have all this potential buried on the inside. But just because you gave up doesn't mean God gave up. Your dream may be buried. The good news is it's still alive. It's not too late to see it come to pass. And we've all been through disappointments and setbacks. Life happens. But instead of remembering the hurt, the pain, what didn't work out, the key to reaching your destiny is you have to remember your dream. Remember what God promised you. Remember what He whispered to you in the middle of the night. The Scripture calls it the secret petitions of our heart. Things you haven't told anybody about. It may seem impossible. Every voice tells you it's not going to happen. You've been pushing it down, but God is saying, what I promised you, I'm still going to do.
I got you. I forgot. That boy told me, no, I can't do that new stuff, Charles. I only rock Biggie. Yeah.
It's like black male misunderstood, but it's still all good.
Hey, if they don't know.
You gotta make sure you got some good music on when you're training. It helps balance your, damn, I can't think right now. I got too much blood rushing. But listening to music that you enjoy makes you train harder. Makes you train better, get a better mind-muscle connection. Trust me. I got to listen to my damn music, man. I'll be.
That's that boy Chris, you feel me? That boy Chris, you feel me?
Just another day at Metroflex. Birds chirping, dogs barking, and we out here getting big. Nothing new.
Nothing new.
Work for it. Let's get it. Right here.
Hey, for this dangerous.
Don't try this at home.
This is dangerous.
Do not
bro.
try this at home.
You can kill people. That's a little
For
boss
real.
right there.
Yeah, you try to break all your.
All of them, really.
Yes,
Real
sir.
tough.
All right, Jay, let's go. 7 whips. Go for 10. Yes, sir.
That's a lot.
Yeah, right way.
Yeah. He acting like he want to keep going.
I'm about to go up and wait.
He put a thing like
Let that go.
right?
Oh, that thing is a monster.